Hey champions, this is Jersey number 96 signing in and welcome back to my channel। तो आज मैं एक बहुत ही इम्पॉर्टेंट टॉपिक में बात करने वाली हूँ जो कि डिसिप्लिन के बारे में ही है, विच इज़ डिसिप्लिन वर्सेस मोटिवेशन, विच वंस गोना विन। और मैं आज आप सबको प्रूव करने वाली हूँ कि कैसे डिसिप्लिन इज गोना विन नो मैटर वॉट। सो लेट्स बिगिन। मोटिवेशन एक चीज़ है जो आती है और चली जाती है। It is like a cloud coming in front of you and then going away. So if we are talking about motivation, it is like one day you're feeling like you have to go to the gym. You want to go to the gym and you want to study. You want to chase your goals, but the next day you're feeling like, oh my god, I don't want to do it. I'll do it tomorrow. Look, this is motivation. Motivation is an emotion. Motivation is kind of a dopamine which you get and you feel like, I want to be successful, I want to do this, I want to do that. But after half an hour, after 15 minutes, you'll feel like, oh my god, I don't want to do this, I want to sleep on my bed. And motivation on the other hand एक ऐसी चीज़ है विच इज़ लाइक कि आपको मन करे या ना करे, बाहर बारिश हो रहा है कि नहीं हो रहा है, अगर जिम जाना है तो जाना ही है। दिस इज़ डिसिप्लिन। डिसिप्लिन का और एक टर्म आई वांना रेप्लिकेट इट, दैट इज़ कंसिस्टेंसी। Discipline means consistency. You have to be consistent no matter what, and to be consistent you need to be disciplined. I think these two words are interconnected. Discipline means consistency, consistency means discipline. You need to be disciplined to be consistent, and you have to be consistent to be disciplined. This is the main hook which I am going to tell you about discipline and discipline and feeling motivated. So let's begin to the main part of the video where I will actually be telling you कि कैसे discipline plays a vital role in your life and कैसे discipline is always gonna win no matter what, and you will only be successful if you are disciplined. Rather, if you are undisciplined, rather if you're not disciplined, if you're just lazy, you're never going to be successful, mark my words. Even if I'm a nobody to tell you that discipline is important, I am still trying to be consistent in my day-to-day life. I am trying to post videos every day. I am trying to wake up early every day. So if I can do this as a teenager who is just trying to figure life out, so you can do it as well. So let me just tell you the main points about which discipline and motivation are having a competition on. So let me tell you the first point, which is motivation is temporary. Put this into your mind that motivation is temporary and it's just gonna go. It is like you are going on a ride and you're coming back, and that ride was the motivation, and now you came back and now you're at your home. That is motivation. Motivation is an emotion, like the way when you feel like I am not enough, when you're feeling sorrow, when you're feeling sad, when you're feeling not worth it. This is emotion, and motivation also comes in the same category, which is emotion. तो if we are talking about कि कैसे if we are not supposed to take this as an emotion, we have to follow discipline. जैसे कि एक दिन you feel like you want to go to the gym and you want to be successful. Don't worry my dear friend, you're never gonna be successful if you think like this. If you think of it as motivation, you're never gonna be successful if you're thinking of it that only motivation is the only thing which is going to be matter, which is going to matter to me when I am in the stage, I am in the process of being successful. Look, the process of being successful, the process of being the best version of you, the process of whatever you want to do is the way, is the struggles you have to face, which is discipline. You have to be disciplined. You have to be disciplined to be successful. No matter what, no matter who you are, you have to climb the stairs. You cannot take the elevator. Now the next thing which I want to say is that discipline is a system, but motivation ain't. Discipline is like you're building a whole system and you're following it. Like for example, my daily routine. I am waking up at 4 a.m. I am trying to study. I study till 5:30 to 6, and then I go to practice at 6:30. And then in my school I go to practice, and then till 2 o'clock in the morning, 2 o'clock in the afternoon I have my practice. I come back, I edit my videos, I upload my video, and then again I have practice, or I have tuitions, or I have gym. I have to go there. I have to go there no matter what, no matter if it's raining or what. Even if I tell my mom that I don't want to go to gym today, my mother will be like, from the next month I am not paying for your gym fees because you're not consistent. You have to be consistent no matter what. Consistency is the key in discipline. In discipline, you have to build a system which you have to follow every day. And I am telling you, my friend, last year I played so many tournaments outside my state, and this year I haven't even stepped a foot outside my own hometown. Look, that's the meaning that I was not disciplined throughout 2020-25. But when summer vacations hit, I got into reality. Reality hit me hard on the face. It slapped me on the face, and then I became consistent throughout everything. And that is how I started my YouTube channel. Also, I am trying to be consistent in everything I do. That is why I am telling you that you should be consistent as well. You should follow the system discipline is making you do, and you should just stick to it. And let me tell you one more thing, that when you feel like you're repeating the days, like yesterday felt the same, today is also feeling the same, and tomorrow is also going to feel the same, you're on the right track, because you have to follow the same thing no matter what. The next thing is, small steps create big impact. I am telling you this because whenever you are going to the second floor of any house, you're first on the ground floor and you want to go to the first floor, for example, then you have to climb all the steps. You have to climb every single step. Then only you can go to the first floor of the house. So like that, it is the small changes which matters. It is the small changes which get you to the top. If you are relying on motivation, you will be like, oh, I'll do this tomorrow and then I will receive it tomorrow only. I'll do this today, I'll receive it tomorrow. But in discipline, it is like you have to climb every little step. You have to climb every little step, and then only you can actually receive your goal. This is discipline. You have to climb every step. You cannot just rely on 1 hour's motivation and then you will be like, oh, I just need it, I cannot, why am I not getting it, I just need it. But my dear friend, it doesn't work like that. You have to be disciplined, you have to be consistent, and then only you can get your life on track. You can achieve your goals, you can live your dream life or whatever you want to do. But you have to be disciplined for that, and for discipline you have to be consistent, and for consistency you have to be disciplined. Let me tell you a relatable story of mine which I want to share with you. No matter who is watching this or how many views I get, I am still going to share this. That a few months ago I was really broken down. My heart was broken because I lost one friend, and he broke the friendship, and I was really 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 sad about it. And I couldn't do anything. That was like a traumatic event. That was like a canon event which happened in my life, because he and I used to be best friends since childhood, and I lost him. And it was really tragic for me. So I couldn't do anything properly. I was like, oh my god, I lost him, what am I gonna do? I'm not having any friends right now. Like, he was the only friend I used to talk to, and the other people were just the other people in my life. I didn't care them as a friend. He was the friend who I cared about, and I lost him. He broke my trust. He just betrayed me out of nowhere, and I still haven't forgiven him. And those months were one of the most horrible months of my entire life, when I felt like I cannot do this anymore, because I don't feel like going to school, I don't feel like doing my homework, I don't feel like studying for the exam, because I lost this friend. I was having no one to talk to. But then again, reality hit me hard on the face, and it told me that this is not you. This is not you. You have to be disciplined, you have to be consistent, then only you can achieve your goals. And then I thought that if I only think about him, if I only think about how he hurt me, how he betrayed me, I'm going to attract more energy like that into my life, because I also believe in manifestation. And it just hit me hard on the face that I cannot be like that. This is not the jersey number 96 we know, and we are going to work hard on my goals. Since then, I haven't stopped until today. Still I am working till today, and I will be working my whole life, because I don't rely on motivation, I rely on discipline, I rely on consistency, and this is how everything is gonna work out for me. I just don't know. I'm just having my eyes on my goals, and I am just gonna be disciplined. This is the only way I know that I can achieve my goals, or else no one is gonna do it for me. Because reality has hit me so hard. I'm just a teenager, and reality hit me hard on the face. It slapped me on the face, and now I feel like if I'm wasting even 2 minutes on reels on social media, I feel like I'm wasting my life. So this is how it is an example of mine, that how reality hit me on the face and how I became disciplined. So that's it for today. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I hope it was this much helpful for you, at least in your life, so that you can implement it in your life and you can also become a better person, a better disciplined person. So if you like this video, please like, share, comment and subscribe. And if you want to share something with me, or if you want me to make videos on such topics which you want to know about, please comment it down, and tell me one thing which you are disciplined about every day, which you constantly do every day, which is a good habit, and tell me on the comments. And if you like this video, thank you so much for watching. This is Jersey number 96 signing out. Love you all.